Contractor Profit and Loss Forecast.
Hello and welcome to Introduction to At-Risk, a Practical Example. I am Fernando Hernandez. I have worked for more than 15 years as an official trainer and consultant for Palisade Company, the maker of At-Risk. At-Risk is perhaps the most popular add-in to Microsoft Excel. It lets you analyze risks using a method called Monte Carlo simulation. At-Risk shows you virtually all possible outcomes for any situation and tells you how likely they are to occur. This means you can judge which risks to assume and which ones to avoid, a critical insight in today's uncertain world. This course will take you through the basics of setting up an at-risk model based on top of your Excel. You will learn how to construct a model with inputs and outputs, select some basic distribution functions, run a simulation, and most importantly, be able to analyze and interpret the results of your simulation. A couple of additional and more sophisticated tools will also be taught to enhance your learning experience. This course is very practical. It uses an example of a small business owner who needs to make pressing decisions with respect to his operations. By using such an example, we will be able to introduce and explain how at-risk works on top of your Excel model. In this course, we will be looking at the following major topics. On the first section, we define the working model, how to structure it and insert its parameters. We build a model and insert at-risk input variables in order to complete a profit and loss statement. Once the model has been built, we proceed to run the Monte Carlo simulation. This will take us naturally to generating and interpreting results using charts and tables. The last part consists on creating alternative scenarios and finally making a decision based on alternative risk mitigation strategies. If you do not own an at-risk license, we will also show you how to download a free trial version of the software. It is evidently necessary for you to have a working license of at-risk and Excel in order to be able to follow this course. It is important to notice that some of the lessons here present numeric values that may be slightly different from the ones you and I may be reading from the simulation outcomes. For example, I may be presenting a percentage figure and the number I'm presenting may be somehow different from the one you're seeing on the guided video or on your own simulation results. Do not worry too much about it. Given the very random nature of the Monte Carlo simulation process, this is a common thing to happen. The important message here is to learn the underlying mathematical processes that link and create your results. Make sure you download the resources attached in this lecture. A detailed step-by-step PDF document containing 76 pages with all the course material and instructions. Also, you should be able to download the two versions of the Excel workbook, the solved and the unsolved versions of the exercise. Depending on your learning style, you can choose a combination of resources to enhance your experience. Some people prefer to watch the videos, listen to the audio, and simultaneously start solving the unsolved Excel workbook step by step. Others will just read the PDF document and will try to solve on their own the unsolved workbook. Even others will jump directly to the solved workbook version and will try to figure out in reverse what was done. There are multiple ways of combining the resources available in order to maximize your learning experience. Choose your favorite one and start learning. I hope you enjoy this course. Welcome to Introduction to At-Risk, a Practical Example.